does this all add up as fraud, Dr. Vikram Singh, or can this be said by a journalist that she according to reports that are emerging has claimed that these charges are unsubstantiated, because any money that may have come in would have come in online, delivered, transferred to a bank account online, transferred to her family accounts online. So would that be considered as a cast iron case, Dr. Vikram Singh?
Gauravji, your brilliant colleagues have made it abundantly clear and in fact have explained the charge sheet and the charges very, very lucidly and clearly. Firstly, collecting the amount for purposes of COVID relief, then donating it to, even if it's a donation, where she should have stated first before she got the funds that this collection is for the giving grants to these government funds and not for COVID relief. When a fund is collected for COVID relief, it had better be spent on COVID relief. Then manipulation of the documents and expenditure fabrication of various vouchers and bills. The financial trail is very obvious. And to say it's a paltry amount of just 2.7 crores. Gaurav ji, I was the senior most police officer and I had a princely amount of 77 lakhs as a service, and my total retirement dues after 36 years of service getting 3 gunshots. By no stretch of imagination, it's 2.7 crores is a minor amount, and every rupee matters. And the financial trail of every single rupee that came into her account, diverted into her personal accounts, that of her parents, and also to the FD account, this will form a part of the investigation, and why the FCRA guidelines were not observed. To accept something and then to return it is an admission of guilt, and also spoiling and also vitiating the evidence and also tampering with the evidence. Again, a charge of 201 IPC can be brought against that you received, but when the screws were tightened and the investigation started, you tried to obliterate your fingerprints and tried to return those funds. That also is an act of crime and trying to obliterate the evidence. There are multiple things that have emerged now during the course of this 10-minute and a short duration of interaction, and I feel that there's much, much more to it than what meets the eye even now. I think it's a very, very clear-cut, dead, open and shut case.